Hi, in today's video we are going to look at our new DAX trading robot, which is available to our Pro tier members on Patreon. This is available for both Metatrader 4 and Metatrader 5, a first for our trading robots. This trades the DAX index, which is the German index, which is available on most Metatrader platforms. However, I've seen it called different things depending on different brokers. On my accounts, I've seen it as DAX, GDAX, D30. Best to check with your broker if you're unsure. It doesn't use martingale, grid or hedging, considered dangerous trading techniques as these can blow your accounts. Each trade is independent using CCI and Heiken Ashi indicators as a pending order to enter. For best results, we recommend using a regulated broker and VPS provider. In particular, we've created and tested this trading robot using our broker data, and you can see our recommended broker in the video description box. If you're using something different, please do ensure that you backtest with your broker to ensure you're happy with the results before you decide to use this for your live trading. So on to the backtests. Running the backtest from 2015 to April 2021, we can see that the trading robot starts to become profitable from 2016 and has been profitable since. Markets are changing all the time, so at some point this trading robot may stop being profitable, but for the time being it's looking good. I've been running this live on one of my own accounts since March 2021. It's made 26 long trades, winning 69% of them, and has made 541 points profit. You can see the rest of the trading stats in the blue box. So if you're not yet a member of our Patreon page, you can join and get access to this fully unrestricted trading robot for your own trading portfolio. As a Pro tier member, you can get all of our trading robots, new optimizations for trading robots, and other trading stuff and ideas. So I hope to see you on our Patreon site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at our next video.